саламатсыздар ма? Hello, сәлеметсіздер ме? Қош келдіңіздер. You are welcome. So today's second lesson we will talk about morphology, about grammar rules. So in our first lesson we've talked about alphabet, yeah? So in the today's we'll start about nouns. So let's go on. Let's start. Nouns. Nouns in Kazakh are divided into two categories. So divided into two groups, жалпы and және, and it means және. Жалпы, және, жалқы. So жалпы common nouns and proper nouns. Жалқы, it means proper. So actually, nouns in all languages, nouns are words that answer the questions не. So it means what. And кім, it means who. For example, what is this? Бұл не. This, it means бұл. Бұл не. What is this? Бұл кітап. This is a book. For кім, who. Who is this? Бұл кім. Бұл кім. Who is this? For example, бұл бала. This is a child. This is a child. Yeah. So, and further denote entities that are concrete or abstract. Concrete, деректі. Abstract, дерексіз. So, nouns in Kazakh don't bear grammatical gender. So there is no any grammatical gender. I mean, male, female, masculine, feminine, and actually in English also there is no any grammatical gender, but in Russian they have got grammatical gender: мужской род, женский род, средний род, and etc. So subsequently, agreement for gender is not observed in Kazakh. Nouns do, however, decline for case and number. So today we will talk about, and also we'll talk about number. Number 3.1 and 0.1, number singular and plural. In Kazakh language has two numbers, single and plural. Single, it means жекеше, жекешетір. Plural, it means in Kazakh көпше. I'll write later. So the singular form of the noun is unmarked. Bala, it means child. Til, it, for example, Kazakh тілі, Kazakh language, or you can say also til, it means tongue. And til, Ana, it means mother, mom. So the plural form of the noun is formed by adding the suffix lar. Not only lar, but larler, larter, darder. It depends on on ending. So after words that end in a vowel or the phonemes are in orthography r. So lar has the forms larler with alternation in the vowel depending on the quality of the final vowel in the root. Okay? For example, Meymanxana, meymanxanalar, restaurant. So mekemeler, organizations. Қарулар. Түбірлер. Түбір, it means roots. Sarайлар. Saray, how to say? I've forgotten in English. And balalar, bala, child, and balalar, children. Children. And so I think it's enough for today. It's 5 minutes only. I have to shoot video only for 5 minutes. So see you soon. Goodbye. Сау болыңыздар. Келесі сабақта жалғастырамын.